Hey all, it's Jonathan from Style Factory here, the go-to site for e-commerce tips and advice. Today I'm going to share some simple Shopify side hustle ideas. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you where you can access some key resources for getting a Shopify business off the ground successfully. Let's dive straight in. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a way of selling online where you don't buy, make or ship the products you list on your online store. Instead, you take orders for them and then pass them on to a supplier who then fulfills your order. The main advantage of dropshipping is that it's a low-risk way to start a business. You don't need much in the way of capital to start doing it. When you dropship, you simply become a middleman, marking up other people's products. And if your store is a success, it can end up being a reliable source of passive income. Now, if you're interested in dropshipping with Shopify, you should note that there's a special free dropshipping starter kit available for the platform that gives you access to an extendable Shopify trial, along with videos and PDF guides to get you started. I've dropped a link to this in the video description. 2. Sell print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify give you an easy way to create unique t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and many other products without the need for inventory management or production costs. You simply upload your designs to your chosen service and specify what products you'd like them printed on. You're then given access to mock-ups of products that you can sell on your own online store. When a visitor to your store orders one, your chosen print-on-demand service will handle all the rest: manufacture, shipping, returns, etc. Like dropshipping, there are no upfront costs involved with print-on-demand because leading POD providers only charge you for a product once your customer places an order for one. You'll find links to leading POD providers that let you get selling for free in the video description. 3. Sell digital products. Selling digital products like ebooks, music, online courses, printable resources or software can help you build a very profitable business. This is mainly because once you've created your digital product, there are no manufacturing or production costs to worry about again. It's usually a good idea to ensure that the production values of a digital product are strong, but so long as they're useful or entertaining enough, even very lo-fi digital products can prove popular and generate a lot of revenue for a store. You'll find a link to some tips on selling digital products in the video description. 4. Sell personalized products. Selling made-to-order personalized items can be a great Shopify side hustle because they are more unique and stand out from more generic goods. You could, for example, offer wedding gifts that feature the names of the happy couple, engraved jewellery, or customizations made to items that a visitor to your store already owns. The only thing to note here is that selling in this way will usually involve adding a third-party app to your Shopify store. The platform doesn't provide a built-in tool for selling customized products. Lots of these are available in the Shopify App Store, however. 5. Create and sell your own app. A huge number of stores have been built with Shopify, over 4.8 million in fact, and their owners are always looking out for apps that can enhance them in various ways. So, if you have coding skills, a good way of putting them to use is via app development for the platform. You can sell your app on Shopify's dedicated App Store, which gives you a shop window to Shopify's massive user base. 6. Take your existing brick-and-mortar store online. If you run an existing brick-and-mortar store, you can use Shopify to take it online. You'll already have a product line in stock, so it should be a simple case of using Shopify to create a virtual version of your existing business. You may find that using Shopify's point-of-sale features, you'll actually be able to enhance the operations of your physical business in the process too. Shopify's POS system lets you accept payments in physical locations and syncs your sales and inventory data with your online store. Check out the video description for a link to more information on Shopify POS. 7. Sell your skills. You aren't just limited to selling products on Shopify. You can sell your skills too. Whether you're an event planner, a business coach, a therapist, a motivational speaker, or a gardener, you can make yourself available for hire easily using Shopify. And that's 7 key side hustle ideas that you can use to set up a business on Shopify. It's important to note though that a business idea is only the beginning, and there's quite a lot of other things you'll need to do to make a success of your Shopify store. So do check out our video description, where you'll find links to some key resources we've put together on doing just that. These include a Shopify launch checklist, a Shopify SEO guide, and videos about Shopify dropshipping and print on demand. You'll also find a link to the Shopify free trial in the video description, along with the free dropshipping starter kit. Before you go, we'd love you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. And if you have any questions, do leave a comment. We read them all and will do our best to help.